Welcome guys, today we're diving into a major shift in the world of finance and crypto, one that involves none other than Shark Tank's Kevin O'Leary, aka Mr. Wonderful. Once a fierce critic of Bitcoin, calling it garbage, O'Leary has now made a massive U-turn and is going all in on cryptocurrency, with nearly 20% of his portfolio tied to crypto assets. What's behind this sudden pivot? According to O'Leary, two US Congress bills, the Genius Act and the Clarity Act, could be the key to unlocking $1 trillion boom in the digital currency space.
The crypto world needs now is more regulation. Here's why. You've got a multi-trillion-dollar financial services sector around the world, whether it's on the investment side or the transaction side, and nobody has figured out how to integrate crypto into the compliance part of that yet. So let's say you're running a $1 billion sovereign wealth fund. At 4:05 New York time, you have to mark to market all your positions. And you have technology to do that, whether it's a bond or a stock or a private equity position, doesn't matter. Those compliant platforms and dashboards that are reviewed by the regulators have been around for decades. No one has ever built one for crypto. So if you have a crypto portfolio, you have to manually basically look at the exchange it's trading on, take a snapshot of what it's worth at 4:05, and almost hand type in your positions and go to the compliance officer and say, at 4:05, this is what Bitcoin is trading at, even though it's trading 24/7. They don't like that. It's much easier for compliance officers to simply say, nah, we're not doing that.
With President Trump already eyeing America as the crypto capital of the world, and having personally raked in nearly $1 billion from crypto investments, the landscape is heating up fast. O'Leary believes regulation is the missing piece that will push crypto over the edge, enabling it to break through the current stagnation in assets under management and transform outdated, inefficient currency trading markets. The first major milestone has already been achieved. The Genius Act, Guiding and Establishing National Innovation for U.S. Stablecoins Act, was officially signed into law in July. This groundbreaking legislation is designed to protect consumers, enable innovation, and ensure that the US dollar remains dominant in a rapidly evolving global economy. By laying down clear rules for stablecoins, this act is set to unleash a flood of institutional investment that has been sitting on the sidelines due to regulatory uncertainty. Meanwhile, all eyes are on the second bill, the Clarity Act, which aims to define the roles of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, and the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in overseeing the crypto space. If passed, it could further clear up the murky waters of crypto regulation and open the door for startups, investors, and financial giants alike to participate with more confidence. O'Leary believes these two pieces of legislation are the ladder that will help the crypto industry climb over the wall that has stalled its growth. And if his predictions are right, we may be on the brink of a historic financial shift, one that could reshape how the world views, uses, and invests in digital currency. So buckle up. This might just be the beginning of the next $1 trillion wave.